Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How you guys doing out there? This is Desmond, the Rideshare Whisperer, coming to bring you a brand new video today to help you make more money while out doing Uber and Lyft. Guys, in today's video, I'm actually going to be talking about something that happened to me 2 days ago, guys. And I'm going to show you how when Lyft does this little tricky little thing they do, how you can get them to get you straight, guys. And what I'm talking about is, guys, 2 days ago, I got a request from the airport. I'm leaving the airport, and actually I got the request right before I went to drop somebody off at the airport. I was dropping somebody off on Uber at the airport, and I got the request on Lyft to pick somebody up, which was right at 5 miles away, which was right on the cusp of me not going, because like I told you guys before, anything over 5 miles on Lyft, I don't go for it, guys, because they don't pay you for long distance trip pickups. So I just don't do it. So anyhow, guys, ladies and gentlemen, I got the request on Lyft. So I leave the airport and I basically drive out to a place called South Congaree, which is out in the country, in the boondocks, whatever. So I'm out there going to pick this person up, and when I get there, lo and behold, there's 2 kids walking out the door. Both of them got backpacks on. Neither one of them look a day over the age of 13. So, of course, you know me, because I don't violate the laws. I'm not driving any unaccompanied minors. The first thing I asked them is, so where's your mom and your dad at? Are they coming along with us on this trip? And the little girl says, no. I said, well, I'm sorry, but it's absolutely against the law for me to give you a ride, because it is against the law for us to drive unaccompanied minors. So she says to me, obviously I can tell that she's done this before many times. This is a normal practice for her, because the account was actually in her name. Go figure that part. How is that even possible, Lyft? Riddle me that. How is a person that's not even over the age of 13, as far as I can see, able to have a Lyft account? At any rate, so she says, so what do I need to do? I just need to cancel the trip. And I'm like, yeah, you have to cancel the trip because it's against the law. I cannot drive anybody under the age of 18 without having an adult accompany us on the ride. So she cancels the trip, and I back out of the driveway, and I'm pulling off. Now, everything's cool until I see that Lyft doesn't compensate me for the cancellation, which really pisses me off, because I just drove 5 miles to pick somebody up who was not a person for me to pick up because they were not over the age of 18, and I had my time stolen from me. And as you know, in this game, time is money. So especially if you do this on a part-time basis, you only have so much time that you can allot to this, and then this thing, you know, this situation happens and you don't make any money off of it. So what I did is, you know, yeah, I got pissed off about it because I just wasted my time. I could have picked somebody else up on Uber. I could have picked somebody else that actually was of age on Lyft and been making a trip and making money, guys. And so I was not compensated for the cancellation. And then Lyft gives me this pop-up that shows up on the screen when I go to check the actual trip, that this trip does not qualify for a cancellation because of blah 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 blah. It doesn't even matter, because I didn't want to read. I'm not reading all of that anyway, because the fact of the matter is I did my part. I went to pick the person up. I got there and I was on time, but the person was scamming the system by trying to get a ride when they're not old enough to actually take rides via rideshare, via Uber or Lyft. For those in the back who don't understand what rideshare means. So what you know, and I know I'm not the only person this has happened to, because I've had other instances where I've actually got right around the corner to the person's house. They cancel the trip. Lyft doesn't compensate me for the cancellation, and that's not fair to me. So guys, I'm getting ready to show you what you need to do so that Lyft can give you your cancellation money, guys. And this is really simple. So I'm gonna stop the video right here, guys, and I'm actually gonna give you a step-by-step walkthrough on my phone on how you can get in contact with Lyft, let them know of the situation, and they will compensate you on that cancellation fee, guys. All right, hold on. Okay guys, I'm back, and I hope you saw this, the step-by-step on my phone, the tutorial showing you how to go through and get in contact with Lyft, let them know the situation so you can converse back and forth with their customer service and let them know of the situation so you can get compensated, guys. It's like I said, man, time is money in this thing. You know, in a high traffic time, and you get a bogus trip like that, and you know they cancel on you, or they just not ready to go, you should be compensated for something like that. You know, now I understand if it's a situation where it's like right around the corner, you know, they do give you, they do give them a certain amount of time for them to cancel. But in that instance that happened to me, it took me about 10 minutes to get there. You know, and not to mention the fact that the person was not a qualifying rider for rideshare because the rider was under the age of 18, which is absolutely against the law, guys. So that's what you need to do. You get in contact with them and they go through step by step, explain your situation, and they will actually go back and they will go review the trip to make sure that you did everything right, meaning that you were not dilly-dallying around and you actually went to pick the person up, and to also so they can actually see what time the person canceled, you know, and then they can go from there. Because look guys, contrary to what you may believe, they can track you no matter if you have the app on or off, guys, Lyft and Uber. So they know what's going on. So that's what you need to do, guys, so you won't be slighted out of your money and your time when you get bogus people like that, because it happens all the time, that waste your time and you don't make money from it, guys. So like I said, guys, if this video made sense to you, which I'm quite sure it do, because there's a lot of people that are losing money because of this stuff, go ahead and give me that thumbs up, guys. Also, click the subscribe button on my channel so that you can get new content when I put it out. Better yet, guys, make sure that you click on the bell in the bottom right corner, so every time I put out new content, you get an email inbox on your phone, and you get a notification every time I drop a new video, guys, because I know for a fact that the content I put out is very beneficial to not only me, but to other people too. Like I said, part-time last year doing Uber and Lyft, made over 50 grand, guys. So I obviously know what I might know what I'm doing when it comes to getting compensated and not falling through the pitfalls of doing Uber and Lyft, guys. Also, if you are currently a Uber and Lyft driver and you sign up directly with the corporate office and not take advantage of the bonus program that comes along with signing up with another driver, you can go to the links below in the description of this video, click on the links, sign up with the information that you use to already drive with. We don't want to do any funny business, guys, and you may be able to get your bonus retroactively paid back to you, which would be a great thing. I mean, if you don't, then hey, it's all good, you know, no fault, no foul. You know, it's worth the try though. It's worth the try, guys. Also, if you are a new person looking to drive for Uber and Lyft because you want to pick up some extra income, you can go to the same links below in the description, click on those links, get signed up, get everything approved, start driving, start earning money, And if you do it in a certain amount of time, Uber and Lyft will give you a bonus, which means more money on top of the money you're already making while driving, guys. That's a great thing. And it's not that complicated, guys. Really. Anyhow, enough of that. This is Desmond, the Rideshare Whisperer, signing off. Peace. And bye-bye for now. And oh yeah, go get your money. Ha ha.